Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well. I am also fine. Thank you. In my last class, I inform you that next class we will do something from our EFT. Yes, today we are going to do something from Unit 1, Lesson 1. The title of the lesson is our folk songs. And you have already been known what is folk songs. Today I would also like to tell you what is folk song. Folk songs are songs that are sung in the rural area in a traditional style. Understand me? Okay, and we would get more information from our text. Okay, now before going to the text, I mean the lesson 1, we should know some difficult words. If you know the difficult words and their meaning, their similar words, it would be easier for you. Are you ready to know? Okay, thank you. Then look at them. Here are some words. The first one is folk. Do you know what is folk? Do you know? Okay, I will help you. Folk means man or mankind. Mankind. Another word is general people. General people or rural people also. Musical. Okay, another word is musical. Musical, the word has been taken from music. That means related to music. Related to music. Along with me, you must write down the words. Okay, instrument. Instrument means tools or device. Tools or device. Okay, traditional. Traditional means, can you tell me anyone? Okay, traditional means convention. Conventional. Convention is noun, conventional is adjective. Since our given word is adjective, we should write the similar of adjective. Song. Song is lyric. I think you have heard the word lyric. 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 Okay. Or ballad. Ballad. Then style. A way. A way. Okay. Then include. Include means add. To add something into something. Add or insert. Insert. Theme. The word pronunciation of this word is not them, but it is theme. What is theme? Subject matter. Subject matter. Or affair. Affair. The spelling of affair, A-F-F-A-I-R, affair. Then community. What is community? Community means a group of people or some group. Community and group or society. Okay, last one, exist. Exist means to be present. To be present. To be present or to be prevalent. Prevalent. Okay, these are all. I have given you only 10 words. There are some more words which is not known to you. So you must find out their meaning from other sources. You can take help from dictionary. Okay? Now, look at the passage. Look at the passage. Here the title is our folk songs. You have already been known. Okay? Now let me Read out the passage. Folk songs are songs sung in the traditional style of a community or a country. Here, the traditional style includes the themes, words, and tunes of the songs that have existed for a long time among the common people. We have a rich history and collection of folk songs in Bangladesh. Of them, Affolligiti, Bhatiali, Bhavaiya, Jari, Shari, Gumbhira, Lalongiti, Palagan, and songs of Hasan Raja are very popular. The traditional musical instruments are usually played with these songs. Have you heard the passage? Yes. Now, look at the question. Just below the passage, here we have 4 questions. Okay. So, the first question is, who usually likes our folk songs? Can you tell me? Yes, I will help you. Who usually like folk songs? Since folk songs are sung in the rural area, these songs are liked by the rural people. That means the rural people generally or usually like folk songs. And not only the rural people or village people like these folk songs. Nowadays, many urban people also like these songs. Understand? Okay. Number two, can you name some well-known folk singers? Yes. Since folk songs are very popular in Bangladesh, many people listen to this song and many people also like to sing these songs. There are a lot of well-known folk singers in our country, like Abbasuddin, Abdul Alim, Fakir Alamgir, Nina Hamid, Meena Bodua, and many other people also in our country who are known as well-known folk singers. Understand me? So, who are the well-known folk singer? Abbasuddin, Abdul Alim, Ferdowsi Rahman, Fakir Alamgir, and many other folk singers in our country. Okay, so this is the answer of question number B. Do you like folk songs? If you do, who is your favorite folk singer? I think more or less you like folk songs, and you also try to sing some folk songs of our country. Okay, so since it's a tradition, it's a part of our culture, it's an integral part, not only part, it is an integral part and parcel of our culture, so we cannot avoid it. more or less we like these songs and we enjoy it, we keep it up to uphold our culture. Okay, so you should do the next some questions related to the passage. I would like to end my class here. Thank you very much.